Hi, this is Dorothy with Dot Scrapbooking. So today I'm going to try my first heart shaker card. And those are the thin cuts. Up at the top there, I'm using a very neutral background here that's in a linen. And here's the pieces. So, we've got the acetate, we've got the double stick foam, and I cut the heart from the single heart and up at the top there. And I made a bunch of heart confetti. So in all the three colors that are going on this card, which is ruby, gold rush, and julep. And all of those are now retired colors. And I didn't get a good impression there, which just tells you, and then I try to double it, and I can't really see what I'm doing very well, but I try anyway. And yep, got to pull it off. So there I am pulling it off. Not off to a great start here. And for some reason, the Tombow really stuck hard. It usually doesn't stick so hard if it's only been down for a little bit. So I have to go cut another piece. Now this was a mix-in paper from the last catalog. So I had a bunch left, so I need to use it up, and it's a nice neutral background. Now the background of the shaker heart I cut in white, and I'm really going to squish it down. And okay, it came out fine. So there's the in Gold Rush, I cut the heart that goes over the top to hide the double stick foam. So I'm just going to make some little leaves to go into the heart, because the saying would just have been, it would have been perfect, because it says, one of the sentiments says, begin each day with a thankful heart. So I thought it would be nice to put that on the inside of the heart, but it would have been too close, and that just wouldn't have shown up as good as it needed to. So I'm making the leaves in the three colors, and I'm gonna do some dual color on a couple of the leaves. So I'm gonna mix the red with the julep, and just to kind of make it look like a leaf that's kind of turning. So I'm doing a little bit of a rock and roll there. And got a little squiggly, I don't know what that is on there. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put the double stick foam down. So I just try to figure out the best way to do it. So I thought I've got more go by going from the top. There we go. And so then I've got to squish it down real good and then pull off the inside squares. And there we go. So that came off very, very nicely. So I'm just going to give it a little going over with the anti-static pouch. And those are the little confetti hearts that came out really cute. Look at how adorable they are. And so even with the little rim of color, I mean, I was impressed. So cute. So I'm getting kind of wild here and not paying attention to what I'm doing. And the next thing you know, I'm sticking to everything. My hands are sticking to the heart. The window's sticking to the heart. I pull the window off and it pulls some of the double stick foam. Then the hearts start sticking to the edge. It's not this difficult. I think I've had a long day. It's just not this difficult. So anyway, so I'm trying to take the glue off, and then I get my little eraser thing because it's supposed to take glue off. And it works real well on paper, and then the thing sticks to my hand, and it's just not coming off. It's just smudging all over the window. Now I could just throw the window out and do another one, but that just seems like such a waste. So I'm going to go and get an alcohol pad, because alcohol takes the glue off. So if you have a little rubbing alcohol, That will take glue off of stuff really, really well. So I just happen to have some little pads in the house from a long time ago. And it looks like it did a fairly good job of taking off the glue, but it's a little smudgy, so I still have to work on it some. But at least I don't have to throw out the heart, the acetate. So, but I did pull off some of the glue from the, you can see that that little corner of the heart isn't shiny. So I have to add a little bit of glue there to, because the heart, of course, won't stick, which means that the little hearts could fall out. So I'm just adding a little bit of the liquid Tombow to the little corner edge there. And then I go over my heart with the anti-static pouch. And then now that that edge of that double stick foam is safely tucked away. So I'm gonna use some more of that liquid Tombow and go around the edge, the stitched edge of the heart, which I just love, the stitched thing, and put it on there. And so there's my little heart. So I like my little heart with my little heart confetti in it. I could have put some more of the sparkly sequins, but you know, it's kind of a small heart. Now, because we're using julep here, I have some julep shimmer tape, and I decided to run that across the center of the card. So I'm just cutting off the excess here. And I thought it would be okay to put the heart directly on top of the shimmer. And I kind of like the way that looks coming out from, it's sort of like a little belt. Anyway, there's my little heart card. So I'm going to decorate my envelope because that's what I always do. So this little stamp set has a pretty little sunflower in it. This is, once again, it's with a thankful heart. And the Gold Rush is actually just a perfect color for the sunflower. And so I think that looks real good on there. And I like to have my envelopes and my cards to kind of go together. So, and then I'm going to put a little, I usually put something on my envelope, and I also put something on the back of the card. Now, I'm kind of making cards for, there's an organization that is collecting cards. If you have an abundance of cards that you make, there's an organization, and I'm also using the Gold Rush for the wheat. And I think that looks real pretty. I like that. Anyway, I'm making, I have a whole bunch of cards. I make a lot of cards. And I'm going to give a bunch of cards away to this organization, which I can't remember the name of it. I'll tell you it some other time. Anyway, this is going to be one of the cards, and it's for people who are kind of shut-ins. And I thought, you know, I think that maybe an older person or a younger person, whoever happens to be the shut-in, would like a shaker card. They're always kind of fun. And so there's my card in my envelope. And there's all my confetti that's left over. I got to find something to do with that. And those are the colors I used, Julep, Gold Rush, and Ruby. And I also used, of course, my intense black ink, along with the heart thin cuts and the shaker window parts for the heart. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe. Take care. Bye now.